Biological beyond organic, the movement starts here. You're not just here to grow, you're here to grow with intention. And that's where the biological beyond organic revolution begins. For too long, we've been told that more inputs mean more results. But true growth doesn't start with a product, it starts with biology. Biological beyond organic is a step-by-step system designed to help you build soil that pays you back. Whether you're tending a backyard garden, running a local market farm, managing a 1,000-acre commercial operation, maintaining turf and playability as a golf course superintendent, or restoring health to your city's parks and public green spaces, this system meets you where you are. You'll learn how to structure the soil for resilience, seed the right microbes for defense, feed biology with discipline, track progress using real data, and regenerate your land with purpose. This isn't just another course, it's a movement built to empower growers, gardeners, farmers, turf managers, and land stewards at every level. Through our growing library of video lessons, printable downloads, and real-world field guides, you'll learn the core principles of biological growing, from beginner to advanced. Each module includes quizzes to test what you've learned, and milestones to track your journey toward becoming biological beyond organic certified. You'll join live Q&A sessions, connect with others walking the same regenerative path, and for serious growers, unlock access to one-on-one consulting calls for personalized, in-depth support. Because we're not just here to sell products, we're here to teach you how to control the quality of whatever you grow, from garden to market, from lawn to field, from farm to table. This is about self-sufficiency and a new way of managing your soil, one rooted in life, structure, and purpose, not guesswork. Welcome to Rocky Mountain BioAg. Welcome to the biological beyond organic revolution. Together, we'll rebuild what we grow from the soil up. Join the movement. Start your biological beyond organic journey today.